Don't look right at it. My STDs help it burn brighter.
The keys are in the ignition. Let's go.
I told you to search that.
The Anti-Hater Service has issued a hater warning for the following counties or areas: L.A., Spring, Pasco, Florida. 8014 Jasmine Boulevard, Port G, Florida at 6:43 p.m. on October 23rd, 2024, effective until 6:43 a.m. October 24th, 2024. Message from Landon Olson. The Anti-Hater Service has issued a hater warning for LA's Spring. The Hater Watch has now been upgraded to Hater Warning. At this current time, radar has indicated haters in LA's Spring. Seek shelter immediately. The Spring host will be notified and he will be banned. Repeating, Hater Warning for LA Spring.